Your mind holds incredible power to heal and transform your life. By understanding and activating its natural blueprint for well-being, you can create profound changes in just 31 days. This isn't about making drastic leaps overnight, but rather about accepting small, intentional steps that lead to lasting transformation. Let's explore a 31-day journey to activate your mind's healing potential, filled with practical insights and steps you can take each day. Every thought you think has a role in shaping your reality. The mind's healing blueprint works like a roadmap, guiding your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It begins with awareness, becoming mindful of the patterns and beliefs that may be holding you back. Spend the first few days reflecting on your thought patterns. Are they encouraging, or do they focus on fear and doubt? Write them down to bring clarity. Once you identify areas that need change, you can begin the process of rewriting these patterns. This simple yet powerful practice lays the foundation for the rest of your journey. The mind doesn't operate in isolation. Your thoughts impact your emotions, which in turn influence your body. Understanding this interconnectedness allows you to take a holistic approach to healing. By shifting your thoughts, you're not only nurturing your mind, but also creating space for emotional and physical well-being. This step is about self-awareness and self-compassion. As you observe your mental habits, resist the urge to criticize yourself. Instead, approach this process with curiosity and kindness. Healing starts when you give yourself permission to grow without judgment. Affirmations are more than just positive words. They are tools to rewire your mind. Each day, set aside a few moments to affirm your strengths and goals. For example, saying, "I am worthy of healing and happiness," can help replace self-doubt with confidence and hope. Repetition is key. Write your affirmations down, speak them aloud, or even record them to listen to throughout the day. The more frequently you engage with these affirmations, the stronger their impact on your subconscious mind. This practice works like planting seeds in your mind, which will grow and flourish over time. Affirmations also help you focus on what you want rather than what you fear. They shift your attention to possibilities and solutions, which is essential for activating the mind's healing blueprint. By reinforcing positive beliefs, you create a mental environment where healing becomes natural and inevitable. Affirmations aren't about denying challenges, they're about choosing to focus on your resilience and potential. Even if you face setbacks, these affirmations serve as anchors, reminding you of your capacity to heal and thrive. Your emotions play a significant role in your healing journey. Negative emotions like anger, fear, or sadness can create blockages, while positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and peace promote well-being. Learning to navigate your emotions effectively is a key part of activating your healing blueprint. Start by acknowledging your emotions without judgment. When you suppress or ignore how you feel, those emotions can linger and create stress. Instead, allow yourself to feel and process them. Journaling or talking to someone you trust can be helpful ways to explore and release these feelings. Gratitude is another powerful tool for emotional healing. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, no matter how small. This practice shifts your focus away from lack and towards abundance, creating a sense of inner peace and contentment. Balancing your emotions doesn't mean avoiding negativity. It means creating a mindset that allows you to navigate life's ups and downs with resilience. As you develop this balance, you'll notice a profound impact on your mental and physical health. Visualization is a powerful method to align your mind with your healing goals. The brain often struggles to distinguish between reality and vivid imagination, which means visualizing your desired state of well-being can positively influence your mind and body. Set aside a few minutes each day to practice visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a state of perfect health and happiness. Picture every detail, how you feel, how you look, and the activities you're enjoying. The more vivid your visualization, the stronger its impact. Visualization is not just about imagining, it's about embodying the feelings of success and healing. When you truly feel the emotions tied to your visualization, you create a powerful, energetic shift that attracts those outcomes into your reality. Consistency is key. Make this a daily practice and watch as your mind begins to align with your vision. Over time, this will help you break free from limiting beliefs and move closer to the life you desire. Your beliefs shape your reality, so aligning them with your healing goals is crucial. Often, deep-seated limiting beliefs can block your progress without you even realizing it. The key is to identify and challenge these beliefs, replacing them with ones that empower you. Reflect on your current beliefs about healing and growth. Do you believe that change is possible for you, or do you feel stuck? Once you identify limiting beliefs, question their validity. Are they based on evidence or past experiences that no longer serve you? Replacing these beliefs requires patience and commitment. Affirmations, visualization, and surrounding yourself with positive influences can help reinforce new, empowering beliefs. Over time, these beliefs will become your new default, guiding you toward healing and abundance. Belief is a powerful force. When you genuinely believe in your ability to heal and grow, you unlock the mind's full potential. This shift doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, you'll notice a profound change in how you approach life's challenges. Consistency is a cornerstone of activating your mind's healing blueprint. A structured routine creates stability and focus, allowing your mind to align with your intentions for healing. Your routine doesn't need to be complicated. What matters is that it supports your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Begin with morning practices that set a positive tone for your day. This could include meditation, journaling, or a gratitude exercise. These moments of stillness and reflection prepare your mind to handle challenges with clarity and resilience. Think of it as charging your internal energy before stepping into the world. Midday, incorporate small reminders of your healing journey. This could be as simple as taking mindful breaths during a break or repeating affirmations that align with your goals. These actions help you stay connected to your intentions even in the midst of daily distractions. End your day with rituals that encourage relaxation and reflection. Reflect on the progress you've made, no matter how small. This acknowledgement reinforces positive habits and builds momentum for the next day. Over time, this routine will become second nature, creating a strong foundation for ongoing growth and healing. Healing isn't a linear process, it comes with ups and downs. During difficult moments, self-compassion is your greatest ally. Being kind to yourself allows you to move through challenges without adding unnecessary stress or self-criticism. Start by noticing how you speak to yourself. Are your inner thoughts supportive, or do they lean towards self-doubt? Replace harsh judgments with affirming and understanding words, just as you would comfort a friend. This shift can reduce the emotional weight of setbacks, helping you navigate them with grace. Resilience also comes from recognizing your progress. Even small steps forward are victories worth celebrating. When you honor your journey, instead of focusing solely on the destination, you cultivate the strength to keep moving forward. Self-compassion doesn't mean ignoring areas that need improvement. It means acknowledging your humanity and treating yourself with patience and care as you grow. This balance between accountability and kindness creates the resilience needed to overcome life's challenges. Gratitude is one of the most transformative tools in your healing journey. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's present, creating a mindset of abundance and possibility. Practicing gratitude consistently can rewire your brain to notice the positive aspects of life, even in challenging times. Start by keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. They don't need to be grand gestures. Simple moments like a kind word, a sunny day, or a peaceful morning can hold immense power. Gratitude also strengthens your emotional well-being. By focusing on the good, you naturally cultivate positive emotions like joy and contentment. These feelings create a ripple effect, improving your relationships and overall quality of life. In moments of struggle, gratitude acts as an anchor. Reflecting on what you have rather than what you lack helps you regain perspective and resilience. This simple practice can transform how you approach challenges, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. Healing often requires releasing what no longer supports your well-being. This might include outdated beliefs, unhealthy relationships, or habits that drain your energy. Letting go creates space for new, positive experiences to enter your life. Begin by identifying areas of your life that feel heavy or unfulfilling. Ask yourself whether these situations align with your goals and values. If not, consider how you can gradually distance yourself from them, whether through setting boundaries, seeking closure, or making lifestyle changes. The process of letting go can be challenging. It often involves facing uncomfortable emotions or fears of the unknown. By focusing on the freedom and opportunities that come with release, you can move forward with courage and clarity. As you let go, recall to be patient with yourself. Healing is a process, and it's okay to take small steps. Celebrate your progress, no matter how incremental, and trust that each step brings you closer to the life you desire. Healing isn't about achieving perfection, it's about growth and self-discovery. Trusting the process allows you to navigate your journey with patience and confidence, even when results aren't immediately visible. Remind yourself that progress takes time. Just as seeds take time to grow into flourishing plants, your efforts will yield results when the conditions are right. Trust that the work you're doing is laying the foundation for long-term transformation. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's supportive people, uplifting content, or inspiring environments. These external factors can reinforce your trust in the process and keep you motivated when challenges arise. Trust in your own resilience and capability. You've already taken the courageous step of prioritizing your well-being. By continuing to show up for yourself, you're building a future filled with possibilities and healing. Healing is a journey of intentionality, resilience, and trust. Each step you take brings you closer to unlocking your mind's full potential. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you create a foundation for growth, peace, and transformation. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Together, let's continue exploring ways to unlock the incredible power of the mind. Thank you for being part of this journey.